known for having one of the strongest bite forces among mammals powerful enough to crush bone. Pythons, while non-venomous, are deadly constrictors that suffocate their prey by rapidly tightening their quills. When these two hunters meet in the swamp, all it takes is a single fish to spark a violent encounter. Rolling and biting, the hyena escapes the python's deadly grip and lands a bite of its own. In nature, victory doesn't always go to the strongest, it often goes to the one that fights hardest to survive.